بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a Smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Dear viewers, today in this video, we would learn about the usage of can and could.
Let's mention using the modal verbs can and could. We all skills important is to be ready to express in English the power or the likelihood to try to do something, but English grammar are often tricky. So can and could are modal auxiliary verbs that express a capability, permission, request, offer or opportunity, etc.
Uses of can and could. 1. Possibility and impossibility. We use could to point out that something is possible, but not certain. They could come by bus. He could be at home.
We use can to make general statements about what is possible. It can be very hot here in summer. She can easily get lost in this town. We use can't or cannot to say that something is impossible. That can't be true. You cannot be loyal to me.
We use could to make general statements about the past. It could be very hot there in summer. She could easily get lost in that town. We use can't have or couldn't have to say that a past event was impossible. She knows the way here. She can't have got lost. If Asma was at work until 3, she couldn't have done the house chores.
Ability. We use can and can't to speak about someone's skill or general abilities. I can speak several languages. She can swim like a fish. They can't drive very well. We use can and can't to speak about the power to try to do something at a selected time within the present or future. I can help you. Help. I can't breathe. We use could and couldn't to speak about the past. He could speak several languages. They couldn't drive very well.
We use could have to say that somebody had the capacity or freedom to accomplish something, however didn't do it. She could have learned Pashto, but she didn't want to. I could have worked all night, but I didn't.
Nowadays can is also increasingly used to ask permission. Can I go? Or may I go? We use can to ask for permission to do something. Can I ask your name, please? Can we use your mobile?
Could is also used to ask polite questions. Could you, please, take me to the principal? Could I have a look at your watch?
Sometimes can is used in the sense of may to give permission. You can go or you may go to class now. You can or may borrow my pen if you like.
We use can to say that somebody has consent to accomplish something. You can go out whenever you want. Lady students can take admission for free. We use can't to decline permission or say that somebody does not have permission. You can't come here. Lady students can't go outside.
Requests. We use could you, as a polite way of telling or asking somebody to do something. Could you speak English, please? Could I have my mobile, please? Can is less polite. Can you speak English, please?
Offers. We use can I to make offers. Can I help you? Can we do that for you? We sometimes say I can, or I could, to make an offer. I can do that for you if you like. I could give you some money for some days.
suggestions. We use can or could to make suggestions. Could is more formal and polite. We can meet at the weekend. We could meet on Sunday. You could eat out tonight.
Questions and negatives. We make questions by putting the subject after can, could, can I, can you, etc. The negative form is can't, informal, in spoken English, and cannot in written English. We sometimes say cannot, but it is very emphatic. The negative form of could is couldn't in spoken English, informal, and could not in written English.
Indirect speech. Could is the past tense of can in indirect speech. She said, I can teach chemistry. She said that she could teach chemistry. He said, I can't see anything. He said that he couldn't see anything.
Notes: can and could are followed by infinitives without to. I can do, not I can to do. She could understand my problem, not she could to understand my problem. Questions and negatives are made without do. Can she speak English? Not does she can speak English. They can't speak English. Not they can doesn't speak English. There is no S in the third person singular. He can sing, not he can sings.
We hope that you have learned a lot from this video. If yes, kindly like, share, and subscribe with comment. Do not forget pressing the bell icon so that you get notification of coming videos. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.